Alright, hello YouTube, this is YouTube user Mr. Video Dude 709. And this is going to be a little update about the snowstorm. It is now January 10th, 2013, and as you can see, we got out of school a few hours early. Yep, school ended at 11:40 a.m., which is probably an hour or so ago. Yep. So the storm is not started yet, but it should be started in about it should be started in 2 hours and 55 minutes. Yep. So it'll be a blizzard out there. Yep. The wind will be like going 110 kilometers an hour, which could cause a power outage. Yep, so I hate power outages a lot. So, anyway, so we'll probably be having 30 centimeters this evening and 30 more centimeters tomorrow. Yeah, which could be 60 centimeters total. Yep. So, yep, this means long weekend. Woohoo! Yep, we're totally gonna have a long weekend, guys. Yep, but I see I'll be busy a lot. I got a few things to do this weekend, but overall, this weekend is gonna be awesome. Yeah, totally, buddies. Yeah. Anyway, so yesterday it was a watch. Anyway, yesterday we had a storm watch, but today we have a blizzard warning. Yep. Yep. A blizzard is similar to a snowstorm, guys. Yeah. So anyway, I guess that's all I gotta say. So people of Newfoundland and Labrador, please do not go outdoors until the snowstorm is over. Please stay inside till the snowstorm is over. Anyway, so I really hope you guys like this video, and check out my tweet I posted earlier. So people, I guess all you need to know is bye.